Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so activation can proceed. Sign into the exact Microsoft account that bought or manages your license, and make sure your PC has a stable internet connection. Activation depends on it. Once done, check system date/time and install pending Windows updates, because mismatches block licensing checks. Then open Settings, Apps, Microsoft Office Modify, and run Quick Repair. This fixes common activation files without reinstalling. This initial sweep removes simple causes and prepares you for deeper fixes. Next, focus on conflicting keys and corrupted license caches that often stop activation. Run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates many checks and can repair account-to-product links. If you previously installed different Office editions, uninstall duplicates and remove old product keys via Control Panel or the Office Uninstaller tool, because multiple keys confuse activation. Also open Credential Manager and delete stored Office credentials so the correct account signs in. After these changes, restart Windows to let the system reset. Finally, reinstall Office as a clean slate if earlier steps didn't work. During setup, you must sign into the right account so the license attaches. After install, open any Office app and go to File Account to trigger activation, and make sure your subscription shows active at account. Microsoft.com or enter your product key. If activation still fails, try signing in on another device to isolate the issue. And if needed, contact Microsoft support with your purchase proof. Tip: verify time zone and clear any corporate VPN. They often interfere with activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.